In this Excel video, I will show you how to use the Excel Linked Picture tool. This is going to be fun. Let's get started. And the Linked Picture tool is great for basically taking a picture of a part of your spreadsheet. Maybe it's a part that you want to track or see on another spreadsheet or in a different place in the current spreadsheet. But anyway, you take a picture of it and then you paste it somewhere else. And the nice thing about this is because it's a linked picture, if you update the original information, it also automatically updates in the picture. So step one is to click and drag to highlight the range that you want to create a linked picture of. Once it's selected, hold Control and tap C on the keyboard to copy the range of data. Then go where you want to paste the information. So you can see here on my first spreadsheet in this workbook, I have a sales dashboard, I guess you could call it. It just has key information about a company's performance. And then on the second spreadsheet in the workbook, we have some questions to consider about that information. So I would like to paste a linked picture here so that the people that are going to be answering these questions don't have to keep switching to the first spreadsheet and then back to the second. I just want all the information here for them. So I'm going to click maybe, let's say, on cell C3. And then I just need to paste what I've copied. So I'm going to go here to the Home tab in the clipboard group. I'm going to click Paste, but not the top part of the button. That would just do a simple paste. Instead, I'm going to click on the bottom part of the button, and there are lots of options to choose from. I'm going to go here to the other paste options and look for Linked Picture. I'll click, and you can see what happens. I get a little snapshot of my data that I copied on the first spreadsheet, but I can see that snapshot here on the second spreadsheet. And again, the beauty of this is that this information updates when I change the information in the original source data. So I'm going to click here on Sales Dashboard. Instead of saying Widget A, I'm just going to update this for what it really is. It's a Logitech mouse, and I'll double click between A and B so that it resizes that column perfectly. If I go now to my questions to consider spreadsheet, notice what's happened. The linked picture has updated. It now says Logitech mouse. So this is working out great. Having said that, there are a few things we could do to make this even more effective and useful. I've clicked here on the linked picture. With it selected, notice that you get an additional tab in Excel, the Picture Format tab. And I can use the ribbon that's attached to that tab to make all sorts of visual updates and improvements to this linked picture. I could resize it, for example. I'm going to size this up to 3 inches. I'll tap Enter, and the linked picture is resized. Now, of course, you could also resize it just by grabbing the corner of the linked picture, and I'll just pull that down a little smaller, and I can move it around where I need it to be. So you don't have to use this size group to resize the linked picture, but you certainly could. With the linked picture still selected and still in the Picture Format tab and ribbon, I can go up here to the Picture Styles group and add a picture border. Maybe I'll give it a dark black border. So that just adds a border around the entire linked picture. If I click on it again, I could change the color to something else. But it's kind of nice to have a picture border. It does help the linked picture to pop a little more and stand out. There are also picture effects that you can try. You can add basically a drop shadow. That's kind of fun. You can add some bevels. You can even make the linked picture kind of tilt in 3D. And you can see there's some really great options and settings that we have. I'm going to stick with this. I think that looks pretty great. I can also change the picture layout if I want to. In this case, I don't think that would be a good idea. So I'm going to leave the layout as is. Now, of course, you can also go here to a drop-down list that gives you other options to consider, and you can get a little preview of each one before trying it out. It's also a good idea to check out some of these adjust options, like you could change the color scheme. You could set the transparency color, and there is also a transparency tool here that I can use to make this linked picture semi-transparent. Now, all of these recent changes I've made to the linked picture, those are basically cosmetic, I guess you could say, but notice that they do not change the original data that it's based on. So linked pictures can really be useful in a variety of ways. For example, let's say you have a chart in your Excel spreadsheet and it's constantly updating based on the information that it's linked to. Why not include a linked picture in other parts of of your workbook, maybe on a different spreadsheet. And the linked picture could be a picture of one of those charts. And so the chart would be reflected on this other spreadsheet, and the bars would go up and down based on the data that they're linked to. That's just one simple example, but I hope that you'll consider trying out the linked picture feature in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, please like, follow, and subscribe. And when you do, click the bell and you'll be notified when I post another video. If you'd like to support the channel, the best way to do that is to become a channel member, but you could also click the thanks button below the video. You could support me through my Patreon account or by buying channel merch, and you'll see information about those options in the description below the video. Speaking of supporting the channel, I want to say thank you to my fantastic Super Techie channel supporters. Thank you so much for all you do supporting the channel. I really appreciate it.